Callie, and I am back with another layout today. Today I am going to use this cut file by Paige Evans. I believe it's from her Etsy shop, which is called Page by Page, so it's Page by Paige, and you can get it there. And if you just heard that, that's one of my cats hissing the other one, so sorry about that. Anyway, so I'm trying a background here, and I like that light background. And that paper is the is by Elle Studio. I don't have who it is. And then I decided I really liked that blue diagonal paper there as kind of a frame. But once I put the blue diagonal, I didn't love the blue spotted paper that I had used to mat the photo. That came from Creative Memories. So I added in this green paper, which is from the Doodlebug Petite Prints in the Citrus Dot Stripe. So I just like that it popped that off with another color here. The orange polka dot paper is from Bella Boulevard. It's the Thankful collection, and I can't read what I wrote about that, but it's from the Thankful collection, which is an old collection, guys. So I don't know, maybe from when Bella Boulevard was new in the 2000s, early 2000s. So I do love this paper, and I use this particular kind of paper all the time, so I'm going to gut it. And so I've got the inside there, and I realized that I did a bad job gutting the paper, and I cut it a little bit too, or the top one is like if the whole background, not the background paper, but that white paper was going to be 11.5. That's where I cut that first cut. So I just cut the other ones so they were longer, and actually it worked out. It was okay. I was thinking I would need to probably glue that one side there, and actually it's fine. Now I decided to tilt this pumpkin a little bit just because of the frame there. It didn't work out quite right. And then I'm thinking I want some sort of journaling card. That one is from Elle Studio. These leaves, which I'm going to kind of play with, are their wood veneer, are from Lawn Fawn. So I kind of like having some up on the top looking kind of like the leaves on an actual pumpkin, and then also surrounding the card. I do not like the yellow with the green. I was originally going to use it, but it just it's like fighting it. So I see these tags that I have here, and these are from Elle Studio. They were from last year's I think last year's collection or something like that. I don't have what it is. I think in fall last year they offered these as part of their monthly offerings. So I really like how the blue looks on there. It's picking up on another color of blue, which I like, because I already have kind of a royally blue and a lighter blue, and now I have more of a navy tag. So I decide now, instead of the leaves being on either side of the photo, because I've switched the tag to the other side, I thought it looked better and it balanced the photo a little bit better. I added the leaves next, or between the photo and there, I guess. I liked this little die cut that says "so much fun," just because I was enjoying standing in the leaves. And then this other die cut that says "our favorite tradition." Well, it's my favorite tradition, but there's no "my." So I'm going back and forth here about which side that tag should go on. And I know it needs to go on the right, but I'm fighting it because of the way that label is on it. If the label was justified to the left, I would have had an easy time with not trying to figure it out. It's not perfect, but I'm okay with that. It is what it is. So that those two die cuts are again from Elle Studio. I just keep mine in the little 4x6 photo boxes that I have, so they could be, oh, actually that's not true. I'm sorry. These actually did come from the Family Fun Bits and Pieces, which was a fall collection that they did a while ago. So sorry about that, guys. So the die cuts there are from the Family Fun collection, Bits and Pieces, which is what they call their die cuts. And just adding a little bit of foam tape under the one leaf because it needs to be able to stand up. All right. So now I need to do that, and just because it needs to stand up because it's two different levels, just going to add that die cut in there. And I just have the embellishing just about done here. I like the way that looks now. Now I do like the these little leaves here, and so I add one up on the tag up there just to give that another a little spot up there, just to bring the tag in. Then I realize I need some twine to put in the tag. I don't always do that, but in this one I definitely wanted to, where it's so obvious that it's a tag, and you know, it's kind of, it's very tag-like looking. Okay, that's silly, but anyway, that is the Paper Studio twine. I got a big assortment of it, and it's from Hobby Lobby. As I was doing that, then I saw this green label there, and that again is from the Family Fun Bits and Pieces, and I just decided that that would be a nice little piece up on the top left there that felt very blank up there, and I thought I would bring some more of that green in there. And again, this is more of a, it's not a citrusy green. It's a kind of dark foresty green, more fall-like. Then my alphabet here is the American Crafts stickers, the Happy Life stickers, and those are in navy. I really like that tiny little alphabet there, just to go right over the photo. So I'm going to pop this label on here and add another one of those leaves on there. The smaller leaves are also from Lawn Fawn as well too. The pumpkin cut file, by the way, I think I said is from Page by Page. So anyway, guys, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. If you have any questions, just leave it for me in the comment and I will get back to you. Hope you're all well. Bye.